Hey besties, today I'm up potting some flowers and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm not going to put any music over this. That's usually easier, but between these social media apps and these music companies battling over money, and then, they'll go ahead and then take our videos and silence them. I'm not playing that today. So, I'm in the city. I'm a city girl. You guys know that. So, you may hear airplanes, dogs barking, horns, the corn man, which he should stop by my house. But anyway, I have these trays these pots. They're like 4-inch pots that I got from Amazon. They're pretty cheap, but they get the job done. I'm realizing I shouldn't use the real sturdy stuff outside in this California heat because even they will melt and it costs me too much money. But anyways, I took the pots, I opened them up, laid them out. They fit in a 10 20 tray. See, I'm tripping. And I filled it with some soil. I think this is a some kind of soil blend with cocoa coir, and I'm just taking out my plants. I have zinnias. These are lime zinnias, so they should be like a pretty lime green. And then I'm potting them up. I don't have many that germinated out that Fairy Morse pack, but whatever. And this one, I almost put two in, but I'm like, no, let me just separate them. I'm going to double up on some of the marigolds, but not my zinnias. And they grow like super large and everything. But this is the first time I've gotten any of them to germinate. So, anyways, I'm crumbling up some of the soil that might be a little too hard, and trying to mix that into my cocoa coir. And I'm just taking a little popsicle stick and taking everyone. Some of these were in a little bit too long, but I'm taking them out as gently as possible. But these plants, sometimes we don't have to baby them. Sometimes they just want to grow. Their seeds are going to grow. They're going to do what they're supposed to do in life. And if you ask me, that's a metaphor for life. But anyways, look, guys, I overly planted some of these because I didn't think they were going to germinate. So I have some of these things with like 4 plants, 6 plants, whatever. They did what they were supposed to do. So this is a marigold. It's either a French dwarf or this other kind, I forget, but they are small marigolds. I'll tell you guys again at the end, but they're small. They're not supposed to be over like 10, 12 inches, because my first marigolds, I didn't know anything. I'm a new gardener, so I didn't know anything about like what I could do, what I should use, what I should buy. Look at them, they're so pretty. So I'm teasing the roots and then separating them, pulling them away naturally instead of just ripping the root system. But again, you don't have to be super gentle, but don't be super harsh. So anyways, I didn't know what breed or variation of anything to buy. So some of the marigolds I bought, they got super tall. And I'm growing in containers. I'm a container gardener because I don't have much space. I'm taking my driveway and turning it into a garden. So hopefully you guys follow along with my little gardening journey. This is definitely for health and mental health. Excuse me, guys. For health and mental health and all that good stuff. So it's bringing me a lot of joy, and it's something to keep you busy and teaches you patience. If you're an impatient person, become a gardener because you will have to wait months to see the fruits of your labor, and all that work you do, you want it to go right. So you're going to keep going and keep working and keep trying and keep thriving and, all that good stuff. So it's honestly just so beneficial for you as a person as a whole. It's beneficial for me for sure. So this is the one, the marigolds, and it's literally 6 plants in here, and I believe I have 6 cells left to pot up. So I'm just gonna separate each of these and put one in each pot. One of them I end up taking out off camera because I had a much larger one. I think it was this one. I had a much larger one still in the tray. So I'm like, girl, put the bigger ones in these trays and, get it popping. Like, let it look all beautiful and good and let them thrive. But I still had so many flowers left. It was crazy. And I'm just up potting them little by little. I'm not recording it, but you guys know how it goes. And if you don't, join me, let's learn to grow together. So I'm doing this last little pot, and then I'll finish out and then let you guys just, I'll just end this video, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. This is just fun for me, but I'm trying to get back in the swing of things of this whole social media thing. Okay, everything's potted up. These are the zinnias and the marigolds. I'm not sure if they're French dwarf, but they're some sort of like mini marigold, so they won't get too tall, not over like 12 inches. So the containers are looking good, and I need to do another round, but that'll be another day.